Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I thought I would just do a color along in this coloring book. I did do a flip through of this. It's 30 coloring pages coloring book. And the illustrator is Cindy Federico Giusti. And it's sort of like a like ink pages. The paper is one-sided. It's a little bit too thin for watercolor, but I am going to use my coloring pencils, and that's what she has, here. So what the pencils I'm going to use are my Koh-I-Noor tritone pencils and the Cra-Z-Art, also the tritone pencils. I also have here my box of Prismacolors. I haven't actually used these in any of my coloring books. They're an old set that were used and were given to me. So I am gonna see for single colors if I'll go ahead and I'll use that. At Michael's today, I went and I bought these Jelly Roll metallic pens, and I thought, maybe if there's something that I can use it on the coloring page, I'll go ahead and I'll do that. And so I thought with this, if anyone follows Life with Patty and the hashtag Patty's Treasure Hunt, for June she has 6 prompts. There's a feather, a mushroom, a guitar, a clock, something that has to do with camping, so whether it's like a barbecue, fishing, anything like camping related. And the 6th one is a quote page. So I thought this one actually has quite a few of the prompts. I'm not going to do a flip through, but it does have a mushroom. It does have, I thought, like maybe the birds with the feather. There's that, but there's actually, this is another pretty one. I actually saw a feather in here. Let me see. There's actually this one with this girl's face, and there's these. There's actually a guitar in here too, which I can maybe add some additional background designs if I wanted to, but there's these feathers here as well. So I wasn't sure. I was actually thinking of doing this as the feather, even though it's a bird, but maybe I'll just do the mushroom and save the birds for another time. So this has the mushroom, the butterfly, some flowers, and what I like about it, it has some hatching to give you shade already. So let me see. I think I will try my Koh-I-Noor tritone pencils first to color in, let's see, maybe the main part of the mushroom. So these, I did an unboxing and a swatching, so and some pages with these pencils. So let's see, maybe I'll try this one first. This is called Tiger. It has browns and oranges and yellows, and maybe I will do the stem first. So you can see how the oranges and the browns here kind of mix in together, but also stand out. And I always think, it's a surprise as to what part of the lead touches the paper first and what you'll see. But for these type of pictures, I think it's fun. If I just really want just one color, then naturally I wouldn't use these tricolor pencils. But the hatching is actually kind of nice too, because again, it gives it that grayscale automatically. I'm sitting in our screened-in porch outside in the back, so you'll hear the birds chirping. Kyrie, one of my cats, is out here too. She likes to spend the day out here sitting on the chair. So let's see. So maybe I will also, maybe I'll also do this one here. And I'm just moving the pencil in the way, I guess, that this mushroom would grow, the bottom part, just following those lines. This paper is very smooth. So it looks like the color is going down nicely. Okay. And maybe I will try this Cra-Z-Art maybe for the top, for the mushroom cap. It'll have more orange and red. Has a little bit of yellow in there too. This is a coloring book I have not colored in yet, any of the pages, so this is the first page I'm coloring in. I don't know about any of you, but sometimes I'm afraid of to mess up a page, so they just sit there. But this is one that I really like the designs, how she illustrated this book. I think I got this, yeah, I did get this off of Amazon. So I'm just drawing little circles here. There's a little bit more of the red that's showing there. This might be maybe too light compared to this, so I may go over this with a second layer. Not sure what I should do. Maybe I can do those dots in yellow. So I might just use one color for that. So I think this weekend maybe I'll try to do more coloring pages. These you get more of a single color sometimes showing up because the lead is thicker. And you can see the difference as opposed to, for example, let me get one that's a little bit similar. So if you see here, the lead is smaller, so not as much. Just going to turn my page to make it a little bit easier for my hand. I went to Michael's because I had that 20% off coupon and wasn't really sure what I wanted to get. I bought some Tombow markers for the first time last weekend, so I had that 20% off coupon. I actually got the dual brush markers, and so I can use them with watercolor, and I really like them. So I got the ones that were on clearance. They were, I think, $12. So I think I bought 4 packs. I don't know, did I do a video? I don't remember. But so I thought, well, maybe with the 20% off coupon I would get another pack, but even in the packs I got, some of them were duplicates. So I was like, well, I don't know that I want, 4 of the same purples or browns. So I went over to, because they had buy one get one 50% off, so that's why I bought those, the Jelly Roll pens. I was going to get Sharpies too, but I really haven't used Sharpies in any of my artwork. And I think they were $36 and change. And I thought, well, maybe if I can get, buy that with the 20% off and then get the half off the Jelly Roll pens, but you said it couldn't. It would just be one discount. So I decided to just get the Jelly Roll pens and pass on the markers. But she did give me the coupon back because she said I could still use it tomorrow. So I don't know. I need to start using what's in my stash. So there's that. Again, I think I'm going to go over this, make it just a little bit darker, just so no white is showing there. Now, these do come with that blender pencil. It's a colorless pencil, and again, I did that in my unboxing and swatching to show you what it looks like. But for coloring books, I don't think, I mean, unless the paper really doesn't, is like coarse where you see a lot of white, I don't think I'm going to use the blender pencil in coloring books. Unless maybe there's a special effect or something that I want. But as you can see there, you can still see the variations of color in there. And again, this is just using one pencil. So maybe here where these lines are, I'll make it just a little bit darker. I'll go over it just a little bit more. I'm going to flip it over. So if you haven't tried these tritone pencils and you've seen, again, some of the pages that I've done with them, I definitely recommend them. This, I think, was a 12, well, it's 11 pencils with, pardon me, one blender pencil, but I think it comes in a larger set. But since I got these, again, what I was kind of missing in this smaller set were like pinks, and so this kind of covers that. But I would, as I wear these down, I will definitely purchase them again. Okay, so there's that. Maybe I will go over this just a little bit more. And let's see, and maybe for the dots, maybe I will use my Prismacolors. I don't know, should I make them like a weird color, like totally different, like blue, or go with the yellow? Decisions. Let me think about this. Okay, I decided I'm actually going to go with this mulberry color. What I did is on the back of the page, if you see me do my flip through of On the Bright Side by Elise Burns, on her back pages of her coloring book, she has where you swatch your colors, write down the colors, etc. And I thought that'd be a great idea to do on the back of this here, just to get an idea. And I think I'm going to go with this purple, or this mulberry. So and these Prismacolors go down really nice and creamy and smooth as well. So I'll continue with this, and I think I'll stop the video at the completion of this mushroom. And when I actually show my completed pages for the Patty's Treasure Hunt, then you'll see what, how I've completed the entire page. But I appreciate everyone watching. If you have any questions, let me know if you have this book. Also, let me know. Again, I got this on Amazon, and it's 30 coloring pages, coloring book, illustrator Cindy Federico Giusti. I think it's Fresh Ink, freshinkshop.com. All right, thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you soon. Take care. Bye.